My name is Soham Mohan Khilare and my partner is Pranav Gavi. We have created a smart underground dustbin system for a cleaner India. Problem statement: India is among the largest and fastest growing nations in the world, yet it continues to face serious challenges in waste management, especially on roads and public places. Unlike countries like USA, Russia, or China, where cities are relatively clean due to disciplined waste disposal systems, many Indian cities and villages still struggle with literating improved civic sense. Streets are often filled with plastic waste, wet waste, and dry waste mixed together, creating unhygienic and unpleasant environments. The lack of proper dustbin infrastructures and public accountability is major reason behind this issue. This is the photos like where Indian roads we see today. Our innovation and idea. To address this critical issue, I propose a smart underground dustbin system with the following features. The dustbin structure will have three separate compartments for plastic waste, wet waste, and dry waste. To promote proper segregation, this dustbin will made of durable metal and installed under the footpaths and regular intervals in cities and villages. The dustbin will be covered from the top with waterproof automated opening system to prevent rainwater from entering. A camera will be mounted on each dustbin to record and monitor the people using them. Each dustbin will be assigned to specific residential area, making it easy to track contribution of households. At the end of the every month, municipal of cleaning department officials will review the camera footage. Those not using dustbin will be receive a fine. Those regularly using dustbin will be rewarded. The top three most active citizens per area will receive cash prize as motivation according to their points. The system will encourage discipline, wastewater disposal, and support Swachh Bharat Abhiyan movement. How it works? Here we have told like which components I have we use. Like this is our structure of dustbin. Arduino Uno is the first. Arduino Uno will be used to control automated lid of dustbin using monitor sensor, motion sensor. It will open when some person approaches and close automatically after use. A mini camera module will record and store short clips when motion is detected. A solar panel can be installed to proper Arduino Uno camera, making it eco-friendly and energy independent. Each dustbin will be have an ID and QR code, allowing it to be mapped to specific groups of houses in that area. This smart technology adds accountability and encourages participation in maintaining cleanliness. This, as I had told, this is the structure of our dustbin system. This will be under the footpath, plastic, wet and dry. Plastic, wet and dry. This is that way. Okay. So our next topic is material required. Here I have told what materials are have been used in this project. Arduino Uno board, ultrasonic, PIR motion sensor as a servo motor, metal dustbin with three compartments, water covering lid, mini camera model with SD storage or Wi-Fi connection, power supply or solar panel setup. So this is our all connection of smart dustbin system. Here is the camera, the dustbin, smart dustbin, LEDs to see where people have put the like plastic waste, wet waste, dry waste. To this classify, we have used LEDs. Buzzer is also there. Solar panels, SD card module, ultrasonic sensor which capture the motion. Benefits to society and India. Now, this is the most important topic in this now our project. How this is how it will look. It will this is the footpath and people are walking. This is dustbin which will look inside like around our footpaths in Indian roads. Benefits to society India. Promote cleaner cities and village with reduced litter on road. Encourage proper waste segregation at sources. Adds accountability by reviewing responsibility citizen and punish cleaner ones. Supports government campaigns like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Smart City Motion Mission. Boosts technological awareness and use smart solution in public infrastructures. Like this is how it looks. Future scope and implementation across India. This system can be piloted in selected areas or wards and gradually expanded. By using cost-effective versions, low-cost Arduino clones offers cameras, offline cameras. The project can be implemented even in rural or budget limited areas like villages. It can be linked to Aadhaar databases for accurate tracking for participation. Review and fines can be managed digitally using UPI or mobile apps for transparency. Once successfully, the system can be modeled for another development countries as well. So this was our project.